Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today we are going to draw a mosque for kids. Are you ready? Grab your black marker and let's start drawing together. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's the rectangle-shaped mosque wall. Great job! Draw a big door. Now draw the main dome of the mosque. Draw it on top of the rectangle. Draw a crescent moon on top of the dome. Draw 2 windows at both sides of the door. Now draw a tall tower in one side. On top of it, draw another small dome. And also a window. Now draw the land. A road and draw some grasses. Now draw 2 trees in both sides of the mosque.
La da 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 dee.
Finally, draw some clouds in the sky. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete! Yay! Now let's make the outline bold and sharp so our mosque really pops off the page. Awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Ready? Let's go! Pink color.
Wow!
Golden color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Brown color. Light green color. Past color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! Look at that! Our mosque is looking amazing with all the colors. Great job, friends! You did awesome today. Don't forget to practice more drawings and we'll see you next time on Toddlers Art Hub.
Yay!
Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.